Hello everyone! This cute little fox is made entirely from the 50 GSM colored cardstock paper. In this video, I'll show you how to assemble it step by step. After cutting out all the pieces, the very first and most important step is making the fold lines correctly. On this piece, you can see score lines without the small circles in the middle. For these score lines, you need to fold them inward, like a valley fold, just as you see in the video. This step is very important, so watch carefully how I make the folds. Next, on this piece, you can see score lines with small circles in the middle. For these score lines, you need to fold them outward, like a mountain fold. This step is really important, so make sure to remember it carefully. This step is very important because it helps the model keep the correct shape. After folding all the pieces, we can move on to assembling the model. To assemble the model, we'll start with piece number 1. You see above, number 1 has numbers as small as 86 and 86. We'll put it together. We'll put together two of the same numbers. And over here, there's 82. We also match 82. And here I'm using super fast dry glue. When you do that, you just use milk glue. And I'll use super fast glue. The first piece next to me is 86. You apply a small amount of glue to the protruding tab bar, and the number is not displayed on the face. Just fold it in and keep the glue dry. So I've put together the first edge. And on the right, I've got a little 80 to pair it with 82. So the number 1 puzzle is done. Now the next piece is number 2. You'll notice that on the second piece, there's a small 43. We'll pair it with a small 43. When you're done, find the small number 42. And number 42 is on top of number 1, and we'll put it together. We'll put two of the same numbers together. And to the number 46 paired with the number 46. So my left ear is done. Now to piece 3. On the third piece, you find two small 93s. We'll put it together. Find yourself number 90. To attach to number 90, We'll do the exact same graft on the left ear. And the next piece we're going to install is piece number 4. Find yourself number 73. To pair with the little 73, and continue with the 5th piece. On this piece number 5, find yourself number 71. Match with number 71. And the number 75 matches the number 75. And to piece 6. Find yourself number 87. We'll pair with number 87 and the next piece is puzzle number 7. There are small numbers on the 7 puzzle. You are looking for me. That first number is the number 4 paired with the number 4, and every 2 identical numbers we put together. In the front leg, find yourself a small 11 with a small 11 on the body. And the next piece is the number 8. On the 8th puzzle, you find yourself. The small 20 matches the first small 20, then every 2 identical numbers. We'll put it together. And here you find a little 16. Pair with small 16 on the body. So my frontal legs are done. Now we're going to move on to the next piece. That's piece number 9. On piece 9, you find the first number. That's number 104. You'll pair it with 104 on the body. The next piece is puzzle 10. There are small numbers on top of the 10 puzzle. You will match the number 28. Same with the first 28. On the back. In the back, you find the number 39, with a small 39 on the body. And in the back leg on the left, that's 11. On the number 11, you find yourself the small number 49. Match with the first 49. Same with the right foot. We put it in the same way. Now I'm assembling the legs of the fox. This part is mostly about connecting the matching numbers carefully and shaping the folds neatly. Take your time with the small edges here, because they help the legs look cleaner and more stable in the final model. In the back, you find the small 58. To pair with the little 58 on top of the body. So my back legs are done. Now the next piece is 12. On the puzzle piece number 12, you find yourself a small 96. It's a little 96 on top of the body. The next piece I put together is manner number 13. In this puzzle piece 13, you find the small 26. Then find on the body of little 26. You put them together. And then there's piece number 14. Find yourself a small 67 to match first. And to piece 15. There's a small 65 here, and a little 65 you put together. And you find yourself a small 60 to pair with the little 60 on the tail. And that final piece is puzzle 16. In puzzle piece 16, you'll match the first 62. It's a little bit difficult in the last 16. It's a puzzle to the end. Please transplant carefully. In the last three-sided way, you can glue all three sides. Then we will. Let's use our hands to align each angle into one. SAO for joints. And keep the glue dry we will spend. These two white pieces are for the ear. You put glue on the front of your ear. And then we'll put the white piece in to show the tie part. And that's it. This cute little fox is finally complete. It's super adorable and perfect for your desk decoration. If there's another model you'd like me to make for free, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next Papercraft tutorial.